All right, so the guys are taking a 90, a 6-inch by 6-inch 90. They're using the tile tape. This is the solid gutter runs. We got these monster cleanouts. We have a 6-inch grate that we drop in. Works out really nice. The guys dug a trench that's big enough for 2 6-inch pipes, because once they get past those 2 downspouts right there, then we go into a French drain with the downspout pipe. So we're going to have 2 6-inch pipes side by side. The 6-inch pipe is so strong that Baughman Tile makes that you can drive semi-trucks over them. It is our mini culvert pipe. That's what we refer to it as here in Michigan. There's nothing stronger. There's no single wall 6-inch pipe stronger than the Baughman 6-inch virgin yellow pipe. When it's yellow on the outside and kind of clear on the inside, you know it's not recycled material that's just painted black, okay? Because that is a thing that's referred as coax, when they take the recycled pipe and they paint it yellow. This is the true virgin yellow. This is all we're using. This is all we use. We use virgin pipe. Why do we want the virgin pipe? It's stronger than the recycled pipe. There's longevity to it that's far beyond recycled pipe. That's made out of recycled food containers, basically made out of trash. So, of course, a pure material, a true virgin material, is going to last and hold up, be stronger. You can just see what a monster pipe this is. I mean, it's just absolutely ridiculous. Look at this thing. And yes, we have figured out how to ship this monster with the help of UPS, our partners. Look at that thing. Just love this pipe. This pipe is so incredibly strong. This is commercial right here. This is heavy commercial, what we're doing here. Because they drive trucks between these 2 buildings to service things. So we got to make sure that a heavy-duty Edison service truck can come in here without damaging the roof runoff system and the French drain system that we're putting in.